My soul is leaving my body.
Tell me pretty lies, look me in the face, tell me that you love me, even if it's fake.
Hey guys, what's up? It's Nicole June and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be filming a video about the Shills, that sounds really weird, the Shills black deep cleansing face mask. Apparently this is like super painful and everybody like cries when they try this, so I thought I might as well order it. Okay, so I'm going to clean off the little bit of makeup that I have on right now, and then I'm going to come back and put this mask on. It's like 12 o'clock when I'm filming this, so that's why I look like this. But you're supposed to have damp skin when you put this on, and then leave it for 20 to 30 minutes, and then I'll peel it off. So it's going to be instant regret, I already know it.
Make sure that it's applied so it all stays together as one, you know, so you just pull it off in one.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, wow.
This is like really thick.
How much was that?
$11.
That's it?
Yeah.
Oh.
That's why I didn't mind buying it, because I probably will never use this again in my life. Oh, why did I put it there? I've never waxed there. I got peach fuzz.
Do you actually need help?
Can you put it on? I just put it in my hair. Bye, my baby hairs.
Babe, I'm scared I'm gonna put it in like your eyebrow or something.
If you put it in my eyebrow, I'll kill you. No, like put it where I put it already, and if I didn't put it on all the way, then do that.
You look great. This is really weird because it's hardening, kind of. Oh.
I literally can barely talk. It's been like 2 minutes, and it's really hard not to laugh. I look crazy after laughing. Okay, I'll be back in 30 minutes. I honestly feel like I'm getting suffocated.
Just breathe normally.
I feel like I have someone sitting on my face and I can't even close my mouth because I was laughing and you put it on. Okay, so it's been 30 minutes and I literally can't move anything in my face right now. So we're gonna take it off. You're also supposed to pull it like from the bottom up because that's how it gets out of your pores. Oh, there we go. It honestly feels like it's pulling my skin off. This honestly isn't as bad as I thought it was gonna be. Okay. I think it's ripping out every single one of my hairs right now. It's starting to really hurt. Oh, there's just little hairs in this. Oh my god. Oh fuck. What?
It hurts so bad.
Can I take it off of you?
What?
I take it back that it doesn't hurt. That one area, I think because I laughed so much. Oh my god, I'm so red. Do you see my face? Oh.
I need you to do me a favor. I need you to rip this. You want me to pull it?
No. It hurts so much. I knew it would hurt the most from my eyes. I told myself not to put it there, but I got it there. Are you okay?
It hurts so bad.
Do you see how much I've taken off? You haven't gotten anything off.
I have little hairs everywhere. I have facial hair.
You look like you're gonna cry.
I think it's in my facial hair.
Oh, that's like the worst part is your cheek. Oh my god, my soul is leaving my body. I literally can't even tell if on these little things if it's my pores that are getting cleaned or if it's just waxing my face. Oh, I literally can't even move it here. It hurts so bad. Oh my god. Oh my god, that's so gross. Oh fuck. Okay, I'm gonna go rinse off what I have left on my face because I like random little pieces and then I will come right back. Okay, so my face is like super red right now. As you can see, you can literally like see the line of where I put the face mask. But my skin feels like so soft right now, and you can like really tell that it actually took stuff out of my pores so much. And as you could probably tell, it hurt super badly, but like it was still bearable. I got it off my face. So I actually would recommend this. I really liked it, and if anybody wants to see this, for some reason this is like my favorite part of watching videos where people take face masks off, is like the end result on the mask. People might find that disgusting, but if you don't, watch this part. I hope that you guys enjoyed. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Bye guys!